have a complete background into law and regulations and compliances. What directed you towards privacy?
I think it didn't direct me. It's the world that was directing towards privacy. It wasn't just me. And I went with the direction of the world at that time. So it was in 2016, 17 that all of us were talking about that we need to have something called as privacy in a digital space.
Mhm.
And that talk was going on, and the Supreme Court had one of the case, which was K. Puttaswamy versus Union of India, which said that right to privacy should be a fundamental right of each and every citizen. Why? Because you cannot have a dignified life if you don't have a privacy in as a right towards given to each and every citizen. And with that judgment of 2017, right to privacy became fundamental right of each and every citizen. But to understand and to have that is where it actually attracted a lot to understand that what do you mean by privacy, what is privacy, and how it is important. And with that came the aspect that cyber crime also started coming on a rise.
Right.
And my journey to privacy was more towards coming from the aspect of one, yeah, the privacy more towards right to be forgotten on the internet space, which created that I need to have a private space, and you
Correct.
cannot have right to privacy if you don't have right to be forgotten as a part of it. And the other side, what? That all your information is practically uh, uh, a fodder given to a criminal to orchestrate a crime against you. So if you pick up any kind of crime, right from business email compromises to any crime that you think of a cyber crime, it can be done very easily, very convincingly, if the criminal has an information about you. That creates another aspect that there should be privacy. Your data should be secure, your
Mhm.
information should be secure, should be with you. It should not go in the hands of a people who can misuse it, and at last with that misuse try to cheat you either in a manner of taking away your money or maligning your image or something else for that matter. So I think that was the whole space. And I think it's not me, the whole world has shifted towards the privacy aspect and taking privacy very seriously.
Absolutely, you're spot on, and thanks for sharing this journey. In fact, at this point in time, I see the India. We see data privacy being so much. I mean, it's gathering so much of importance globally. Across India as well, I see there is a lot of negligence. You find at the malls, people getting all your credentials and details for a lucky draw. You get emails. I mean, even over Gmail or even over the corporate, you get a lot of spear phishing and spams and all. So, where do you see? I mean, what should be done so that we could be at par? I mean, I see Australia and other countries are very active in this direction. They have so many different bodies governing it, and where should India? I mean, how should India take the leap?